Friends, today I will be talking about a very special and a very important manifestation technique which is called triple five manifestation. I don't know if you are aware about this technique or not, but I will be explaining you a little bit about this triple five manifestation and then how to do this. First of all, you need to understand this number triple five. If we talk about numerology also, according to numerology, number 5 is the number of transformation, freedom, change and curiosity, and this number also gives you balance and focus. Then triple five is also about 5 elements of the body and the universe. So we have 5 elements, as most of you must be knowing: earth, water, fire, air and space. So we need to tune ourselves to these 5 elements, and it is basically all about law of attraction. Whatever manifestation, whenever you are manifesting, it is like you are attracting, and you are tuning your energy to and your desires with the universe. So first of all, what exactly you need to keep in mind before starting this manifestation? Your thought process should be very positive. You need to be very positive and clutter free of your negative thoughts, and you need to be in a very relaxing state of mind and very happy. Try to relax and feel happy, and you need to have a wish, a desire, which has to be, when you write this desire about this wish, it should be in a short sentence. It can't be a paragraph or a very long sentence. It should be short and sweet and in the present form. Then you need a diary or a notebook and a pen, which can be green, blue or red. Don't go for black ink pen. And now how to do this technique? See, number 5 and 55, you need to break this first. 5, 55 or 55, 5. So basically, first you need to choose a desire, a wish, which needs to be short and in the present form. Okay, I'll give you an example. Suppose if you want to manifest for your relationship, and like it's not going good, but you need to feel that so and so person loves you, or you can say, okay, somebody is not talking to you, so you can say he or she is talking to me and I'm very happy, and thank God that he or she is loving me and I feel very happy. And then you need to feel very positive about that wish, and you need to have a smile, and you need to feel happy inside, whenever you are feeling this desire. Before starting this technique, just decide your desire. Like if you want to write something about your job, okay, you don't have a job, then you write, okay, thank God for giving me this job and I feel very happy, I'm getting good, that kind of. So one sentence which is very short: thank you God for giving me the job in this company, thank you God for giving me job with a very good salary package. So these kinds of sentences you can make. So first you need to prepare that wish in a sentence form in the present tense, and then you need to focus on that and then start this manifestation. So this is the preparatory stage, and then before beginning this before manifesting this, you need to prepare yourself and then choose the right time. See, whenever we choose any time, it has to be, because this is like, as I said, 5 and 55. So 5 means you need to do this this thing, writing this thing for 5 days. So for 5 days you will be writing your desire in the present form in a short sentence in your notebook or a diary which you have taken, which you, as I said, you need to have that diary and a pen, and then you have to write this wish for 55 times daily for 5 days. You can't like change, okay, today I will do and second day will be after 2 or 3 days. No, continuously 5 days, and the time whatever is comfortable for you. Like if you feel comfortable during morning hours, before going to bed, afternoon, evening, but try to keep that time same. Many people will suggest, okay, little bit time difference. See, more you do the manifestation rightly, the technique rightly, it will give you good results, you know. So suppose you choose, okay, I will do this, like suppose 4:30 p.m. So every day for 5 days it has to be 4:30 p.m. So a notebook, a pen, a desire, and then write. See, now first sentence you will write whatever your desire is in the present form. Okay, and you need to thank also to the universe or to the God that this desire is, and you need to feel that this is happening, this is actually happening in your life, whether it has happened or not, but because you wish that, you need to wish in a positive way. So you write that, okay, he or she loves me. Thank God, thanks universe that he or she loves me so much and makes me happy. Okay, you write this sentence one time, you write, and then then you need to speak that. Because why, I will tell you later on. Write and then speak, write and then speak. So 55 times. First time you write, then you need to speak little bit louder. Like if you have written, okay, he or she, whatever, you can write on the name also. Thank God he or she loves me and makes me feel happy. You write on and then you speak also. Now, because we need to see, whenever you write anything continuously, it connects with your subconscious mind. It automatically, because you're focused also, as I said, you need to be very focused. It automatically connects with your subconscious mind, and then you know it is like it is saved there, and your subconscious mind. You know, we are doing this 5 days, so with it will be tuning your energy with the 5 elements, and then the power of this number will make this happen. You know, it will give more power in a positive way. So this is a basic idea behind this technique, and it really works if you do it rightly. So 5 days continuously, 55 times. And why we need to speak? Because the sound, you know, there is the frequency. Sound also creates a frequency. You know, whenever we do any kind of chanting of mantras, it creates, you know, that vibes. So sound and then the writing, both kind of thing, when they merge together, they create a magical frequency and vibrations. And then it is like you are giving signals to the universe, and writing part is giving signals to the subconscious mind. So it creates a very positive and a magical and a divine aura for that wish to happen, and it really do wonders. It is so magical. And after, when you finish this writing and speaking, you know, doing it for 55 times, after that you will be feeling so positive, and the vibrations within you, because it is like you are attracting the universe with the wish, and your subconscious mind too. So all these things happening together, it will create a kind of magic. So 5 days, 55 times you are writing and speaking, and for continuously 5 days and same time. After that, keep that note, and when that wish happens, you need to don't throw it, that paper or notebook, in a dustbin. Some people, they just want to keep it as a memory for some time, and even if that wish happens, so that it gives you positive vibes, and later on they just keep it under a tree, which is like which is a symbolic of growth, or you can keep under a people tree, or anywhere where there is greenery all around, but don't throw it in garbage, or you know, just like anywhere. So this technique is very helpful, friends. Try this, and I can assure you that maybe after doing 1 or 2 3 times, it will definitely show you some good signs if you do it rightly. And wish should be, again and again I am repeating, wish should be like in a short sentence and in the present tense. 5 days, and you need to write it for 55 times. That is why it is known as 555 manifestation. Hope Hope you like my this video. Guys, please subscribe my channel, and I will be talking about more techniques of manifestation in my another videos, and try to do this. And you can always consult me for different issues of life, and I do astrology, tarot, vastu, healings, energy reading. So if you want to consult, my numbers are always there on my channel, so you can consult me. Just message me. Have a nice day. Have a blessed life. Bye bye.